Hello students, welcome to Everest Academy page. Today I am going to teach to the students of SEE. I have taken one question, important questions, long questions of 5 marks from topic circle. The question is in this way, look at here. Find radius, center and equation of circle passing through the point 1, 2, 3, -4 and 5, -6. I mean, see here, this is the circle, H, K is the center of circle, 1, 2, 3, -4 and 5, -6 are the passing point of circle. In this very condition, you have to find the center HK value and the radius and the equation of circle. Look here, HK is the center, this is the passing point. The distance from center and passing point is the radius. So this is also the radius, this is also radius and this is also radius. This and this. These all are the radius of same circle, so radius are equal. Here, solution, we should solve in this way. Solution, let H, K be the center of circle which passes through 1, 2, 3, -4 and 5, -6. I mean, H, K be the center of circle which passes through the point 1, 2, 3, -4 and 5, -6. Formula we have studied the equation of circle with center and radius. The equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of circle. Since the equation circle passes through this very point, that's why 1, 2 lies in this equation, 3, -4 also lies in this equation, 5, -6 also lies in this equation. Since (1, 2, 3, -4 and 5, -6 lies in equation first. So, as 1, 2 lies in this equation first, that's why x value 1 and y value 2 put in the equation first. Then 1 minus h of whole square plus 2 minus k of whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation second. 3, -4 also lies in this equation. That's why 3 minus h whole square y minus y value is -4. That's why -4 minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is equation third. 5 -6 also lies in equation first. That's why x value 5 and y value -6. Then 5 minus h whole square -6 minus k whole square is equal to r square. Equation 4. These are the equations. Look here. From equation 2 and 3, first we take from equation second and third. From equation second and third, r square is equal to this, r square is equal to this. That means this is equal to this. We can write, 1 minus h of whole square plus 2 minus k of whole square is equal to 3 minus h of whole square plus minus 4 minus k of whole square, or a minus h whole square, a minus b whole square formula. 1 square means 1 minus 2 into ab, 2 into 1 into h means 2h, plus b square means h square. In place of b is h here. Similar way, 2 minus k whole square, 2 square means 2 to the 4 minus 2 into k means 2 to the 4k, plus b square means k square. Similar way here, 3 minus h whole square means 3 square means 3 3 is 9 minus 3, 2 into 3 into h means 3 to the 6h plus h square, plus minus 4 minus k whole square means minus 4 square. Minus 4 square means plus 16 it will be. Minus 4 square means plus 16, minus minus plus 4 to the 8k plus k square. This is also a minus b whole square formula I have used. Now k square, this k square will be cancelled, h square is also cancelled, or 1 and 4, here then 5 minus 2h minus 4k equal to 9 and 16. If we add, then 25 minus 6h plus 8k, or minus 2h minus 6h. If we bring this side, then minus change into plus, then it will be plus 6h is equal to 25 plus 8k, 5 that side take, then minus 5, minus 4k that side take, then plus 4k. We need to calculate the value of h in the form of k, or 4h is equal to 8k and 4k, 12k, 25 minus 5 means plus 20, or h is equal to, here we can take 4 common, 4 3 are 12, then 3k plus 4 5 are 25, divide by 4. This 4 taken that sign, then it will be divide by 4. That's why 4 and 4 cancel. Therefore h is equal to 3k plus 5. This is the equation 5, value of h in the form of k. Again from equation second and fourth we have to take. From equation second and fourth equation. Same is r square is equal to this much, this r square is equal to this much, means this equal to this 1 minus h of whole square plus 2 minus k of whole square is equal to, here 5 minus h of whole square plus minus 6 minus k of whole square, or again same a minus b whole square formula. Here also a minus b whole square formula. It means 1 square means 1 minus 2 into 1 into h means 2h plus h square, 2 square means 2 to the 4 minus 2 into 2k means 2 to the 4k plus k square equal to, here also same 5 minus h whole square means 5 5 the 5 square means 5 5 the 25 minus 5 to the 10h plus h square plus here same minus 6 whole square means plus 36, 6 into 6 36 minus minus plus 6 to the 12k plus k square. Now again k square will be cancelled, h square also will be cancelled, or 1 plus 4 we can write 5 minus 2h minus 4k equal to 25 plus 36. If you add then 6 5 11 1 carry 1 3 2 5 1 6 61 minus 10h plus 12k or minus 2h minus 4k. 10h bring this side, then plus 10h we can write, plus 12k this side, then minus 12k we can write. 61 5 take that side, then minus 5 or minus 2h plus 10h means 8h minus 4k minus 12k means minus 16k. Subtract here 11 from 5, then 6 5 56 or 8 common take, then h minus 2k is equal to 56 or h minus 2k is equal to 8 bring this side, then 8 bring this side, then it will be divided, then 56 divided 8 means 7. H minus 2k is equal to 7. Putting the value of h in this equation, putting value of h in equation, in above equation, h minus, in place of h you have to put the value of 3k plus 5, then 3k plus 5 minus 2k is equal to 7 or k is equal to 7 minus 5, therefore k is equal to 2. Value of k is 2. Now value of k we put in equation 5, we can calculate the value of h. Then putting value of k in equation 5, then h is equal to 3 into k. 3 into k. K value is 2. 3 into 2 plus 5. 3 to the 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So value of h is 11, value of k is 2. So this is the center of circle. Here center of circle, that's right, center of circle is equal to hk is the center of circle. So value of h is 11 and value of k is 2. Then center of circle is 11 comma 2. That is the center of circle. Now we have to find the radius. To find the radius, we should put the value of hk in any equation, either in second, third or fourth. We can find the value of r, means radius. So putting value of h comma k, hk in equation second. In second equation you put, then 1 minus h value is 11. 1 minus 11 of whole square plus 2 minus k value is 2 of whole square is equal to r square, or minus 10 of whole square plus 0 of whole square is equal to r square, or 100 is equal to r square. Therefore, r is equal to 10. So, radius of the circle is 10. Now, radius and center came, then we can find the equation of circle. So, when we put the value of r and hk in equation first, in this equation, then we can calculate the equation of circle. So, here, now, putting value of hk and radius in equation first, in this first equation, when you put the value of hk and radius, then x minus h, it means x minus h, 11 of whole square plus y minus k, k value is 2, whole square is equal to r square, r means 10 square, or x square minus a minus b whole square formula is here. 11 to the 22x plus 121. 11 square means 121 plus again y minus 2 whole square means y square minus 2 to the 4y plus 2 to the 4 is equal to 100, or x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 125 minus 100. 100 this side take, then it will be minus, or x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0 is the required equation of circle. In this way, we can calculate the equation of circle. Rasul, like this question is asked in group D, long questions of 5 marks. And I think you might have understood. Thank you.